How to change alarm sound in iPhone. So first is you have to go to your clock here. So just tap on clock here, and then here you will see an alarm. So if you just want to if you just want to change a specific alarm, then all you have to do is to just tap on that alarm, and then here you will see sound here. You'll actually see different options such as repeat, label, sound, and snooze. Just tap on sound, and here you will be able to choose and change your alarm sound to your ringtones. And if you don't want that, you can actually have songs here. You have to pick a song and then just choose there. And basically, that is how you change alarm sound in iPhone. And basically, that is how you change alarm sound in iPhone. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.